What's up, dear viewers? In this video, I will show you how to make objects or layers invisible for print only in AutoCAD. I have this job right here, and that is exactly what I'm supposed to do because my client sent me these two drawings. I have two structural drawings. I have this structural drawing and has requested me to use this particular title block from another structural drawing. Okay, so the trick is I need to import both PDFs in AutoCAD and then edit my title block, and then I need to print. But you can see there's no way I'm going to print that type of title block without some kind of reference, so that my drawings will be consistent in terms of scale and size. So I decided to create this box. However, this box does not need to be visible when I'm printing. So this is the solution to the problem. You need to create layers which are invisible when printing. So the first way to go about this is to use Defpoints. So this layer, if you select, you can see this layer is Defpoint. So how do you create a Defpoint in AutoCAD? If I start a new drawing, for example, let me just start a new drawing. If you go to layers and properties, you realize that I only have one layer, that is layer 0. So how can I create a def point? So def point is essentially created when you insert dimension lines. So if for example I insert linear dimension from this point to any point, let's say like that. Now if you go to properties and layers, you realize that we have a new layer called def point. And if you can see, this layer is not printable. So that is the first way to go about it. So if I go to this drawing, let me change this layer to another layer. Let me, for example, layer 1. If you go to print, if you print, just let me select that point and that point using window, and then apply and then preview. Okay, you realize that this layer is invisible, and that is exactly what we want to avoid. So if I change that layer to, if I change this layer to def point, now if I print again, Windows, from this particular point, to that particular point and then preview. Okay, you realize that now that layer is invisible. So we can just use def point for reference, and these layers are not printable. If I can just create some more lines using def points, I just create here in this title block, just draw anything, enter and cancel. If I go now to print, then preview, that layer is not printable. That is the first way to go about it. Now, what's the second way? The second way is we can just use any layer. Let me go to layers. We can just create a new layer. So new layer, and then just type, give it any name, invisible. And then if we expand this one, just drag up to there. If you go, you can see this option is for plot. Okay, plot. Then you need to uncheck here. Just click, and then you see that red is like a warning because that layer will not be visible. So if I select this one and use that layer invisible, that layer should not be visible when I'm printing. So we can just add more more of such layer. For example, just there. Okay, and then just add maybe a polygon, just a 6. Enter. Inscribed in a circle so that you can be sure. So let's go to print window. From that point, okay, then preview. Still we don't see those layers. So guys, that is how you can create an invisible layer for print or for plotting in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. If you like this video and you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like this video. Thanks for watching.